In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a travel brochure using templates in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find professionally designed options and how to make one your own in just a few minutes. Start by heading to your main dashboard. This is the home screen you see when you open Canva, and it's the hub where all your designs and tools live. From here, look to the left-hand side and click on Templates. The Templates section is your shortcut to polished designs, so you don't have to start from a blank page. Once you're in Templates, use the search bar at the top and type Travel Brochure. This brings up a gallery of brochure designs created for destinations, tours, hotels, and travel agencies. Take a moment to scroll through the options. You'll see different sizes, color palettes, and styles. Some are bold and adventurous, others are clean and minimalist. Click on a template to preview it larger and flip through its pages so you can check the layout, photo placement, and text areas. When you find one that fits your vision, click Customize this template. This opens the design in the Canva editor and loads all the elements for you to modify. From here, you're free to do whatever you like with the template. Swap out the placeholder photos with your own images or choose from Canva's library to match your destination. Update the main headline to feature your location or offer, and rewrite the smaller text with your itinerary, highlights, or pricing details. Adjust colors and fonts to suit your theme. If you're promoting a tropical getaway, warmer tones might work well. For a city guide, a sleek, modern palette can feel more appropriate. You can drag and drop elements to refine the layout, resize images to create stronger visual focal points, and duplicate sections if you need more space. Keep your paragraphs concise and readable, use clear headings to guide the viewer, and make sure important information stands out. If your brochure includes multiple pages or panels, double-check consistency across them, same fonts, aligned margins, and a coherent visual rhythm. Consider adding subtle icons for amenities, simple lines to separate sections, and high-contrast text over photos for legibility. As you work, Canva saves your changes automatically, so you can experiment confidently. That's the whole process. From the main dashboard, into templates, search for travel brochure, pick the one you like, click Customize this template, and tailor it to your content. With a solid template and a few thoughtful edits, your travel brochure will look professional, informative, and ready to share.